Hi and welcome. My name is Dr. Lisa Smelser and I'm the program lead for biotechnology programs here at Central Carolina Community College. Our program at the college is wonderful for recent high school graduates, transitioning military members and their families, and also people looking to transition into a new career, looking to earn a living wage with opportunity for growth. Folks can join us for one class and earn an industry credential to enter the workforce, and then also transition into our associate's degree, which also connects to our senior institutions to transfer to a bachelor's degree. Our courses are offered in both hybrid and online formats, and we're currently operating in Harnett County as well as in Sanford. So whether you take one class with us or the entire degree, students are invited to an exclusive once per semester career fair where we connect you with our regional industry partners, and you also will receive extensive resume and interview training during and outside of class. So contact us today at Central Carolina Community College to start training for your new career in the biopharmaceutical industry.